Welcome. Today you will learn how to create a productivity system that grows with you. A system that helps you stay organized, focused, and efficient no matter how busy your life becomes. Step 1. Understand your goals. Start by knowing what you want to achieve. Clear goals. Give your productivity system direction. Write down your top priorities, both short-term and long-term. This helps you focus on what really matters. Step 2. Choose the right tools. Pick simple tools that fit your style. This could be a digital app like a task manager or a physical notebook. The key is consistency. Use one main place to collect all your tasks and ideas. Avoid switching between many apps because that creates confusion. Step 3. Create a daily routine. Build habits that support your goals. Plan your day the night before. List the most important tasks first. This way you start your day with clear intentions. Use time blocks to focus on one task at a time and avoid multitasking. Step 4. Review and adjust regularly. Set weekly or monthly reviews to check your progress. Look at what worked and what didn't. Be flexible and ready to change your system if something isn't helping you stay productive. Scaling your system means it adapts as your work or life changes. Step 5. Keep it simple and sustainable. Avoid overcomplicating your system. A complex setup can cause stress and make you give up. The best system is one you can easily maintain every day. Focus on habits that feel natural and not overwhelming. Step 6. Automate repetitive tasks. Find ways to automate or delegate routine work. Use reminders, templates, or apps that can do repetitive tasks for you. This frees your mind to focus on important and creative work. In summary, creating a productivity system that scales means starting with clear goals, using simple tools, developing daily routines, reviewing progress, keeping things simple, and automating when possible. Follow these steps and your productivity will grow as you grow. Thank you for watching. Now start building your own scalable productivity system today.